Today, we're taking a close look at the Nanoxia Deep Silence 4 Mini Tower MATX case, designed for those seeking compact yet powerful performance in their PC builds. This mini tower marvel boasts a sleek black design and is constructed from 0.7mm steel, ensuring durability while keeping a low profile point. One of the standout features of this case is its emphasis on silence. Nanoxia has gone to great lengths to minimize noise, incorporating thicker metalwork, dense sound dampening materials, rubber vibration isolators, and insulated drive doors. The result? A remarkably quiet PC experience, perfect for those who value tranquility during intense gaming sessions or demanding workloads. Despite its compact size, the Deep Silence 4 doesn't compromise on compatibility. It can accommodate micro ATX and mini ATX motherboards, along with full-size GPUs up to 265mm in length, or 395mm with the middle HDD cage removed. Plus, with space for one HDD and one SSD, you'll have ample storage options without sacrificing performance. Installing components is a breeze thanks to the modular drive cages and included HDD SSD sleds. The case also features a bottom-mounted power supply for efficient cable management and airflow. Speaking of airflow, Nanoxia provides plenty of options for tuning it to your preference, with a 6x 3-pin fan controller and 3 high-quality rifle bearing fans included. Maintaining a clean PC is hassle-free with the Deep Silence 4. The front fans and dust filters are easily accessible, held in place by a removable bracket behind the front panel. This makes cleaning a quick and painless task, ensuring optimal airflow and performance over time. In conclusion, the Nanoxia Deep Silence 4 Mini Tower MATX case offers a winning combination of compact design, silent operation, and ample compatibility. Whether you're building a gaming rig or a productivity powerhouse, this case delivers on all fronts. If you're in the market for the best compact PC case, the Deep Silence 4 deserves serious consideration. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.